You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. I am so excited. You know what's happened with all this AI overlay, tech? It's booming right now. I don't know if you've played with it at all. We live and die by it here, but it's really leveled the playing field for the little guys. We've never had the resources for an IT department, coders, software developers, POS analyzing, changing. We had the vision, we got the creativity. We didn't have the tools and the people to be able to execute that. Well, these new tools becoming available, we do. If you're smart enough to grab the right tool, I personally like Gemini from Google. We use a little bit of Opus, a little bit of Chat GPT, but those aren't our tools just because we're heavily involved with Google, but they're all got similar purposes. We are able to do things digitally that we couldn't do. It's helping us analyze how many plants we need. So it can look at that huge data spreadsheet and go, you did pretty good. It always starts with, hey, that's great. And then it goes, but you should look at this and this. I'm going, you know what? I should look at that. And it's either right or wrong. I don't know. But we know what to look at and proof it. One thing it's done for us, it has greatly allowed us to expand our online plant orders, not just plants, but on to be able to sell to customers or expand the opportunity to buy directly from our farms, have it shipped directly to your door. It doesn't have to come to us anymore. It goes right from there, put it in a box, and boom. We just had a unwrapping party. We showed it on our Instagram and Facebooks. You may have seen that, but it's a full-on plant. We're not talking, here's the thing. A lot of these online plants are putsy little cuttings. They're trashy. They're little plugs. They're what we started with 3 years ago. They're not real plants you plant in your yard. Maybe a house plant, but not in your yard. You want a full mature plant, especially if you're buying, let's say, a new boxwood or Japanese maple or a holly for the holidays, or you want to ship your grandmother in New York City a real plant that can go in their yard. It's a real plant they could plant. You can order it from our farm, ship it directly to her house anywhere in the country. The technology is amazing, and it delivers within. I just ordered a box to test it a couple of weeks ago. Ordered on a Monday, came the following Monday, just like that. They had the order, they had it boxed and to you like right now. So it's not just our ability to use it, but the farmers, the whole layer, all of business can use these tools to up our game. So now we've got better connection. It's just fun, actually. Retail's fun all of a sudden. That and our gift cards. We've been selling gift cards for 20 years online, but now we can personalize them. You can put the logo, the style of gift card you want let's say your mother to see. You can have the amount you want. You can have the date you want it, the time you want it to deliver. We could never do that before, but we can now. And so it simplifies our lives and it personalizes the experience for the gardener. So if you've moved away and now your parents still live here, you can go to the website, order it right there. It will deliver it right there. The gift cards, it's able to be used in store or online, either one. That's actually a logistical nightmare. But we're able to do it because of the AI tools. It's amazing and fun. Well, throughout the week, Lisa and I camp out here at Waters Garden Center. We do like helping folks. We like spending time indoors right now. It's a little chilly, showing off the latest, greatest holiday plants. It's festive and fun inside. It's festive and fun outside. If you want to plant a few plants, we're here for you.
The holidays are here in Arizona's Christmas City, bringing family closer and those chilly winter winds.
While you're decorating the outside, don't forget to brighten up the inside with exotic Christmas plants from Waters.
Beautiful Christmas cactus and poinsettia are coming to town, grown exclusively by Waters in colors you won't find anywhere else.
Unique, vibrant, and guaranteed to warm even the dreariest winter day.
Check your list twice for exotic Christmas plants at Waters Garden Center in Prescott.
For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.